Creighton?
C-R-A-Y-T-O-N.
What's your date of birth?
Oh, Lord, I was like...
We got a warrant on Natasha Nash.
Who?
Natasha Nash.
Let me see. I think we do.
This looks like her. She's giving me a different name, but... Got right here. I shot her with a taser. One probe hit her jacket, one probe hit her...
On November 7, 2025, officers detained a woman near a retail location matching a shoplifting suspect's description. The legal outcome here may have been justified, but almost every step to reach it raised a separate problem.
What's your last name?
Monique, Creighton.
Creighton?
C-R-A-Y-T-O-N.
What's your date of birth?
Oh, Lord, I was like, what do July. I just got, so I was like, what the hell going on? I didn't know. 1981, I'm sorry.
I got you. Where you stay at?
I stay over here on Johnson Street. I just moved on Johnson's right there where the house is right there back there.
On Johnson Street? What's the numerics there, do you know?
The address? Mm-hmm. I know it's the gray house sitting at the corner because I just moved in with them, so I don't really know. Let me ask her.
Hey, we got a warrant on Natasha Nash.
Who?
Natasha Nash.
Let me see. I think we do.
This looks like her. She's giving me a different name, but...
worse in some than others.
She ain't Monique. Yeah, it's gonna be her. She probably about to take off on me. I'm gonna see if I can get her. I'm gonna try it. All right, Temple.
Yeah, right. Hold on.
I'm on Crowder Street right here. I'm with her. All right, look at me.
Yes, sir. Okay, while you fish.
That's fine. I'm standing here in the shade.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I got you. All right, you Natasha, ain't you?
No, sir. I'm not Natasha.
You not? You Natasha?
No, sir.
Yeah.
I swear
What's your daughter's name?
I don't have no daughter.
No daughters?
No, sir. I only have a son.
You have a son?
Yes, sir. I'm not Natasha.
All right.
That's what
you got any proof of ID?
No, sir. I didn't.
Zero proof of ID. Why you got chicken in your pocketbook?
Oh, cause I was at my bag had bust, and I on the way back.
But you still got that
yeah, because I just kept it because it was heavy. No,
where'd you get it from?
I went to Harvey's. I just came from Harvey's to go get some food. I went got some buns and to fry some chicken but my bag got bust, so I put some of the stuff up in here because I was walking with the bag bust.
Yeah, stand right here just a second. You don't stay on Glendale?
No, sir.
Not no more?
No, I never stayed.
What's your husband's name?
I don't have no husband. I'm not married.
Not married?
I've never been married. No, sir.
Yeah, stand by just a second.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I was like, hold on.
All right, if you're not being truthful with me, I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get more warrants on you. I'm letting you know right now. All right. Okay, stand right there. Okay. You ain't got no license? You ain't got no license?
I don't have a license, no, sir. I don't drive. With my cousin. I came in and moved in with her just about a week ago. She just came and got me, so.
Yeah, well, right now you're being detained.
For what?
So you just stand by right here for just a second, and I'll get you on your way.
No, I wonder why. Because it's...
because you appear to be someone that we're looking for.
Oh, no. If I don't know who that is, how can you say me and I'm not the person you look for? I got
just
kids.
Stand by just a second.
Man, my kids is over there, man, sir, and I know, sir. I stay right there. I don't even know. What this is, Glendale right here? See, I don't even know. How y'all detaining me and I don't even know? Let me call and make sure my kids... This is crazy. I don't understand this.
Stand right here.
Okay,
wait with me.
Okay,
get out of the road. Get out of the road.
Oh, man.
I'm trying to look for the picture of her. She definitely appears to be her, and she's walking off and everything like that. It appears to be Natasha Nash, and she's walking off from it. She's running from Crowder Street here. 1080 on foot out. Get out on the ground! Now! Get on the ground now! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Now! On the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Why are you holding me like that?
Get on the ground!
My kids!
Get on the ground now!
Sir, I didn't do
now! Get on the ground!
Oh, don't hold me! Oh, I didn't do nothing!
I got him behind the old Mexican restaurant on South Main.
In my seat.
You about to get it again? Put your hand behind me.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
I can't breathe.
You're shutting up fucking ground. Stupid ass. Quit. Stop. Do not. You about to get it again. Stop. Stop.
I can't breathe.
There it is.
I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
Get up.
You're nobody.
Get up. Get up.
I can't breathe.
You're shutting a run.
Stand up.
I
Yeah.
can't breathe.
Didn't have asthma running. Let's go.
I need that fast. I need that fast. I need that.
Well, I hit a Taser Pro right over.
I couldn't get the red light, but I struck the curve.
That's right. Yeah.
I can't breathe. I swear to God.
You smoke and you just run. You do that.
Stand up. Stand up.
I can't. I can't, sir.
What's your 20?
Stand up. Yes, you can. Hey, you about to get it again.
I can't breathe.
You breathing just fine. Stand by. I'm on. I do this, and I'm gonna do this.
Thank you.
Stand up, Natasha.
Yeah, we'll sit down there.
Right here. Sit on your butt.
Walk back right here.
Okay.
Sit down.
Right here. Sit down.
Wait.
Sit. All the way down. I got you.
Go ahead and roll with it. Check the such down, Nathan Chloe. She can't breathe.
Let you fall. Just slide down. Slide down. 6 feet.
Sit up. Sit up,
You
Natasha.
can sit up. You're fine. You're breathing.
Sit up.
Okay. I swear to God, y'all.
Stop.
Sit up, Natasha. Sit up.
Again.
I
Listen.
can't breathe.
Sit up. We're not playing.
Listen.
I know.
You know all you're doing is prolonging the situation
I know,
because you're
sir.
going to jail.
I need her.
You're going to chill, and you're getting more warrants too.
That far.
Yeah.
And my back. My kids.
I'm gonna go grab my car. All right. You gonna sit there?
Yeah. She decided to run from over there.
Yeah. No, we're good, buddy. Hey, I appreciate you checking. Hey, did you get that? My cartridge and everything? Okay, that's it. Do what?
The white bag, my chest. It's a white bag with the keys.
Yeah. And you know I've always give you ample opportunity. I always gave you ample opportunity to talk to me.
802 South Main Street. 802 South Main Street.
Y'all ain't never seen me.
Apple clear 2.3.
Right here, they fit to check your vitals, and if you good, you
My chest.
This old man, I was coming up to red light, this old man pulls over at the last. I had to go through the courthouse park of grass.
Happens like every time. She run from Crowder Street, got right here. I shot her with a taser. One probe hit her jacket, one probe hit her left leg. She didn't hit the ground or nothing like that, but it got her attention enough for her to stop running.
My chest, sir. My chest.
So she was good on breathing for the little 75-yard sprint there.
My chest, sir.
Yeah, my chest be hurt too if I ran that far.
Under Terry versus Ohio from 1968, matching a suspect's description supports a brief investigative stop. Requesting identification during that stop is standard procedure, not a constitutional violation. Providing a false name, however, creates a separate legal problem from the original suspicion. Courts have held that lying about identity can independently support an obstruction charge. Fleeing once a detention is formally announced converts the encounter into active evasion. Under Graham versus Connor from 1989, force is judged by 3 specific factors: crime severity, immediate threat to officers, and active resistance or flight. A property offense carries low severity and no immediate threat appears in the footage. Active flight, though, is the one factor that most supports a taser deployment here. That mixed picture places this force decision in a defensible gray zone, not a clear pass or fail. Once a subject is restrained, the legal question shifts from force justification to post-force conduct. Profanity directed at a non-resisting restrained subject falls outside professional standards, even when the force itself was lawful. Repeated claims of breathing difficulty after a pursuit are a recognized medical warning sign, not merely a stalling tactic. Dismissing that complaint before checking vital signs creates real liability exposure for a department. The officer's stop and force decision were legally defensible under Graham versus Connor, earning a grade of B-. Dismissive language toward a medical complaint is the main factor lowering that grade.
Do you have any medical problems?
She's allergic to the sun.
We'll stick this on your finger.
Yeah. She got it. Oh, I'm good now. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Need you to take some short, deep breaths, 'cause it's just your heart rate's a little elevated, but everything else is good.
All right, well, I'm going to put you in the truck and do a 12 lead, but if it's normal, I'm going to let you go with them, okay? That's where we at right now.
You need a
Yeah, if you don't mind.
I was 144.
Nobody's laughing at you.
Yes,
No, you're laughing at him.
My heart rate's higher than yours is.
But I said, I don't never get problems, so
You ain't never gave me no problem. That's why I can't understand why you run from me.
It hurts.
I can't understand why you run from me.
Okay, but like I said, I'm going to run a 12 lead. If it's fine,
That's fine.
hands in front.
Put your hands in front of you.
we're going to let you go with them.
The subject's decision to lie about her identity and then flee independently worsened her own legal position. That decision alone earns a grade of D+. The eventual medical response, including a heart rate check and a 12-lead EKG offer, earns a grade of A-. 3 lessons stand out. Naming, flight decisions, and medical response are the recurring risk points. First, a lawful stop can still generate new charges once a false name enters the record. Second, fleeing almost always increases legal exposure more than staying to contest the stop later. Third, breathing complaints after force should be checked immediately, not argued with. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.